Hey guys, Mike here, The Fresh Rinse, on location this beautiful Sunday afternoon here at the Wash Mahal, and I'm super stoked about this video. I can't wait to show you something super special. Before we get into that, be sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell tab, and leave a comment. All of that helps the channel, and as you know, the channel could use all the help that it can get. As early as my last video, I spoke about building a new rig, hoping to build a skid right here on the back of this truck. And as a caveat, remember, I need a name for this one, Fresh Prince related. So this one is jazzy. I need something Fresh Prince related for this one. Michaela, affectionately known as Squirt, will be driving this one, and this will be hers to use for small projects, i.e. small house washes, driveway cleanings, things of that nature, but it'll also serve as a legitimate backup for the unfortunate event that Jazzy should break down until it gets repaired. Then this will serve the purpose, I'm sure. Real quickly, I want to talk to you about the importance of networking within your wash community. I know it feels weird. It even sounds weird. It might even leave a bad taste in your mouth at first. But I want to tell you, networking within your community serves many benefits, the best of which you gain lots and lots of friends. So we have a ton of washers in our area, the most of which we would consider friends, not competitors. In fact, we have a local Facebook page here called the Cinday Washers, Cincinnati Dayton Washers. Joe Maddox of Maddox Pressure Washing and his dear wife oversee that. They do a fantastic job and they have become friends of mine. So I recently posted in that group that I was looking to build a new rig and I needed some spare parts, and some guys really came through for me. But it's not just about leveraging things for self-serving purposes. We also bounce work off one another. I give lots of work to the guys in my wash area, and it's one of those things where one hand washes the other. They in turn throw work in my direction. I don't do concrete sealing, window cleaning, paver stone sealing, deck sealing, things of that nature, but I know some of them do, and they do great work. So not only will they get a house wash, but they'll also get a deck wash and a deck sealing, and I don't mind doing that for them. They in turn do lots of good things for me as well. I will tell you this, I have never lost a job by being nice to my competitors. In fact, my business has only flourished because I've been kind to those washers around me, and I want to encourage you to do the same. I digress. Going back to the skid build, so I put a post out there giving a detailed list of the things that I need: a machine, Flow Pro, tanks, reels, all the stuff that goes with washing, and my guys really came through. Take a look at this. I want to thank my friend Jacob Gilbert of iShine Cincinnati, who really came through with this Honda GX690 8 GPM general pump, 0 hours. The keys are still on the zip tie, and it even comes with a red tip. Almost like a bonus. He also had a brand new Flow Pro with only a few hours with the bypass. All of that, he gave me a great deal, and again, I'm terribly grateful. As I was leaving, he said, hey, she's going to need a chemical tank. I think it's a 25-gallon vertical tank. Dude, that is like perfect for a small skid. So thank you, Jacob. And then my friend Sean Holderman of Prestige Power Wash in Dayton, Ohio, really came through with this 100-gallon slimline tank. This too is brand new, gave me a great deal. The beauty of that is it's only 33 inches tall, so once the cover is removed from the truck, that tank will go just above that window line right there, perfect for a small truck and a small build. I still have some guys in the group who are trying to find me 3 matching hose reels, 18-inch stainless hand crank version. 2 will go on the rail here for supply and pressure, and then I'll have a 3rd one probably right here, I'm thinking, for a soft wash system. And speaking of which, another guy came through and I now have a proportioner coming. I just simply have to go pick it up and pay for it. Another good deal that looks like Noah Blair of Smooth Flow Pressure Washing is going to add to the cause. Thank you, Noah. I'm super, super grateful. So I'll still need a 19-inch Whisper Wash Classic or the equivalent. So maybe someone there in our wash area has something equivalent to that she can use. So I am considering building my own skid. My fabricator, of course, would do the work, but if I can't find one that's 5.5 foot that is going to work right for us, then I'll just have him build me one. But you can imagine it. The shelf will go here, of course, for the reels and for the 12-volt pump, and then another rail here or a shelf here for the machine. And who knows? I don't know. I think that will leave room for the 19-inch Whisper Wash to slide in and out. But we'll see. I don't know. I'm kind of excited about maybe doing something a little bit different. Who knows what will happen with that? I'm super excited. So once again, I cannot stress the importance of creating a network and maintaining that network with friendship and kindness. Again, not to just leverage self-serving benefits, but also to benefit our washers. Listen, I've never been hurt by being kind to other people. All right, enough of that. Again, if you enjoy pressure washing related videos as I do, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell tab and leave a comment. I'd be greatly appreciative. My name is Mike. They call me the Fresh Rinse, and I am out.